A distinguished gallery entry sets the stage for this impressive and stately residence. Perched upon Shoal Point, one of Victoria's most recognised and respected buildings, discover over 2,900 square feet of a luxurious living space. West Coast beauty subtly dominates the space with lavish hardwood flooring and floor-to-ceiling windows framing spectacular ocean views. The open floor invites entertaining and emphasises functionality of space. The gourmet kitchen is adorned with top-of-the-line appliances and overlooks the formal dining room. A casual sitting room and breakfast nook each offer access to a spacious balcony. A dramatic stone fireplace creates a natural focal point in the living room. The media room is the epitome of entertainment with a projection screen. The master retreat is regal and elegant with a walk-in closet and 6-piece ensuite. An additional balcony provides yet another vantage point for appreciating the famed view of Victoria's inner harbour. An unbeatable location with endless recreational activities, boutique shopping, world-class dining and the amenities of downtown Victoria right outside your door. The prestige of living at Shoal Point includes a concierge, secured parking, fitness spa, lap pool, sauna and steam room, a putting green and 2 guest suites.